In this video, we're going to show you how to install ADD Offroad Stealth Fighter rear bumper. It's of a plate steel design with an aggressive, low-profile look that fits tight to the truck. It has features like 2 LED cubes for additional backup lighting, reinforced clevis mounts for 3/4 inch D-rings, and it retains your factory trailer plug and hitch. This install does require 2 people, so let's get to it. We're going to start off our project by removing our license plate, followed by the trailer plug, the spare tire lock, both license plate lights, and all 4 bumper sensors. So after removing everything, next we're going to pop off the bumper cover. And this simply just pops up. So you're just going to work your way down. Remove like so. Next we're going to go ahead and remove the bumper wings. There's 5 bolts on each side. Now repeat the same steps on the other side. Before installing our bumper, we're going to need to remove this factory bracket. This is done by grinding out these 5 welds. After you grind the welds out and remove the bracket, you're going to want to paint any bare steel you have. Before we install the bumper, this is the time to put the LED cubes on. Now we're going to go ahead and install our supplied U-nuts. And now with both of these installed, it's time to hang our bumper. And now we're going to put in our bottom bolts. Make sure to leave them finger tight, as we still need to adjust the bumper to fit the truck. Repeat the same process on the other side. After getting your bumper aligned and your bolts all snug, now we're going to torque them all. And we're going to take it to the specified amount in the instructions. Repeat this process on the rest of the bolts. And now we're going to reinstall our trailer plug, license plate lights, and spare tire lock. And all these things will just click into place. From boring stock to eye-catching aftermarket, all in one afternoon, our install is now complete. It's your turn. Thanks for watching. And it retains your factory hitch and bump steel design, so it I'm fine, you're fine, everybody's fine. From boring stock to boring aftermarket to boring